Here are 100 sentences using different action verbs. 1. She dances gracefully on stage. 2. He drives to work every morning. 3. They cook dinner for the family. 4. I write letters to my friends. 5. We build sandcastles at the beach. 6. The dog runs around the yard. 7. She sings beautifully in the choir. 8. He paints landscapes on weekends. 9. They plan trips during summer. 10. I draw sketches in my notebook. 11. The teacher explains the topic well. 12. He plays the guitar effortlessly. 13. She reads novels every evening. 14. We clean the house together. 15. They swim in the lake nearby. 16. I study for exams thoroughly. 17. He laughs at jokes easily. 18. She jumps over the fence. 19. We travel to new places often. 20. They collect stamps from around the world. 21. I speak multiple languages. 22. He fixes broken electronics. 23. She listens to music daily. 24. We exercise every morning. 25. They bake cookies every Sunday. 26. I cycle to work on sunny days. 27. He teaches math to kids. 28. She washes the dishes quickly. 29. We prepare meals together. 30. They explore different cuisines. 31. I observe wildlife in the forest. 32. He solves puzzles regularly. 33. She gardens in her backyard. 34. We organize events frequently. 35. They visit museums often. 36. I paint with watercolors. 37. He calculates the expenses monthly. 38. She records her travels. 39. We cheer for our favorite team. 40. They debate current issues passionately. 41. I sketch on my free days. 42. He tests software before release. 43. She researches history avidly. 44. We explore local culture. 45. They complete assignments on time. 46. I practice meditation daily. 47. He climbs mountains every summer. 48. She knits scarves in winter. 49. We train for marathons. 50. They edit videos for social media. 51. I admire art galleries. 52. He decorates the house festively. 53. She hikes in the national parks. 54. We attend music festivals. 55. They compose music in the studio. 56. I taste exotic dishes. 57. He coaches the football team. 58. She sews costumes for plays. 59. We invent new recipes. 60. They design websites. 61. I lead team projects at work. 62. He paints murals on walls. 63. She writes poetry on weekends. 64. We camp in the wilderness. 65. They play board games together. 66. I plan road trips meticulously. 67. He rows across the lake. 68. She performs in community theaters. 69. We race in triathlons. 70. They craft handmade jewelry. 71. I jog around the park. 72. He skis during winter holidays. 73. She consults businesses. 74. We mentor young entrepreneurs. 75. They record podcasts weekly. 76. I publish articles regularly. 77. He dives in the ocean. 78. She orates confidently in public. 79. We experiment with recipes. 80. They analyze financial data. 81. I coach a basketball team. 82. He sprints in the races. 83. She directs local plays. 84. We restore old photographs. 85. They engineer new software. 86. I host a book club. 87. He practices yoga daily. 88. She conducts surveys. 89. We bike through trails. 90. They launch new projects. 91. I craft pottery pieces. 92. He polishes his shoes. 93. She mixes cocktails. 94. We calculate statistics. 95. They mend broken fences. 96. I inspect quality standards. 97. He manages a restaurant. 98. She hosts events confidently. 99. We catalog library books. 100. They prepare presentations.